Good afternoon, y'all. Good afternoon. Another episode of Foxhole Family Fun's about to begin. It's travel day, and y'all know I get happy and excited about travel day. So I'm at my two spots. I'm at my gas station about to get a fill up. Then I'm heading to Club Car Wash to get Black Beauty cleaned up. And we're heading down to Springfield, Missouri, Double J's Campground, with the Bi-State Meetup Group. You know, it's a lot of people already there, and we looking to see some friends, meet some new friends, hang out, and just have a good time at this Springfield, Illinois State Fair. So stay tuned. We're going to bring you along with us the whole time. I'm going to get back and pick up the gang and show them here in a little bit. But we're excited and just looking to have a good time. Stay tuned and get ready for another Foxhole Family Fun adventure. Let's go. And Black Beauty is all ready to go. Never pull into a campsite with a dirty truck. Let's go, y'all. It's about time to go get the Dutchman. So I just got back home to get the Rugrats, the Foxhole Family Fun members, so we can get ready to go to where?
Meet our teachers for school.
And then where, Ryan?
To go camping.
To go camping. So Riley and Ryan are excited. We are here. Got to pick up the gang. Wifey's still getting a little bit ready, but we are ready to go. Foxhole Family Fun. Let's get it, right?
Yeah.
See y'all in a little bit. Good afternoon again. The Foxes are here. Foxhole Family Fun is all hooked up and ready to roll. Heading to Double J in Chatham, Illinois, Springfield, Illinois, for the Bi-State Meetup. And we are looking forward to having a great time. Ryan is waving. And there's Riley. And there's my baby. We are on the way, Foxhole Family Fun style, about to have a great time. So I already gave y'all the intro. We got a park review, a lot of video of friends and new friends here coming up soon. It's gonna be a great weekend. So stay tuned. Lots of fun to come. Peace out. And just like that, we're here at Double J. And we finished setting up. Just got finished setting up. Look nice out here. Nice campground too. Full review coming tomorrow. Have my lights all out here. Everything looks great. Williams on the way is over there. Saw Forever Tripping. It's about to be a nice weekend. We gotta go to Walmart here, pick up some things, but we set up. To God be the glory, made us here safe and sound, and let the party get started. We'll bring y'all along the way. Get back with you in a little bit. Good morning. We're at Foxhole Family Fun. Forever Tripping had some donuts and stuff this morning. It's Tim with Forever Tripping, and Williams on the way, Eric and Tammy and Leo, Jeff, Terrence, and the gang. We all out here right now having donuts and coffee, having a good time with the Bi-State group at the Illinois State Fair. Tim, you have a morning joke? You got no joke for me? All right, get back with y'all in a little bit. Foxhole Family Fun here. Hey, if I turn it around, let me see. Follow us on YouTube, Foxhole Family Fun.
YouTube, C-Dub's Funhouse.
All right, I will do that too.
Mom, we have to go on that.
All right. We here, y'all. Just having a good time.
Do you want to have accident in
So
your
what?
gymnast?
Dad, can I please?
I just figured I'd throw some bit ahead of
You gotta come to the state fair and get a smoked turkey leg. What y'all doing, kiddos? Riley.
Took you up into the earth.
Fox Soul Family Fun. Riley Fox is on the jump, whatever you want to call it. All right. You okay? That is about to get hooked up.
She said she don't want it too high. Can you do a flip? I'm not going to.
2 members of the group. You got it. You got it. You got it, Pooh. Jump, Ryan.
You gotta put yourself down. Put yourself down.
You got it. Jump, Pooh. We're still out here at the fair, y'all. And Foxhole Family Fun is hot. Fish grease hot. But we making it do what it do. Girls got frozen lemonade. Mom and I have water. It's hot. But we're enjoying ourselves. Stay tuned. Keep coming with us.
This is how we do it, y'all. This is how Grandpa Downey's does it. This is how we hot dog. What's up, y'all? TGIF, y'all. That's right.
Out here still at the campground, and tonight Forever Trippin' has a movie playing. Don't own the copyrights to this movie or the music. I do not own the copyrights to this movie. But this is very nice. Bi-State doing it right. We're out here, baby here, Jeff War over there. Really nice out here.
Like right now, they like you call it, hey.
Good morning, everybody. Foxhole Family Fun here again. It is Saturday morning here at Double J Campground, and we are about to head to Cracker Barrel with the Bi-State group. Bi-State is doing a very good job, with this meetup, gathering, whatever you want to call it. It's just been spectacular. A lot of good people, great people. It's just good to see us come together like this with just such good people. And breakfast this morning, and here's 2 of the members. There's Ryan and Riley. And we about to head out here in a little bit for breakfast. I'll bring you guys along the way to Cracker Barrel, show you some footage. Here's my wife just came out. Let me see.
Good morning.
There she is. She gave y'all her normal good morning. That's all my wife gonna give you is a good morning. So get back with you a little bit. So this is Shields. We just got here, Shields. I meant to say Shields. I gave it a D in there. So welcome to Shields here in Springfield, and we are just getting inside. Have an aquarium here, as we see. Ferris wheel inside here. Looks nice.
Very nice.
Huge Ferris wheel. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So I'm in here now, and I got a bone to pick with them. They have nothing Philadelphia Eagles in this store. So it's heavily represented by the Bears, which I get, the Packers. Nothing at all Chicago Bears. I mean Philadelphia Eagles. My girls are over here, of course, in this section, doing their shopping. But nothing Eagles in the whole store so far. Chiefs, Bears, Cowboys, Packers. How do you not represent the Super Bowl champions in your store? Not very happy, family. Not very happy.
Yeah.
So my baby about to get some
Yeah, these perfect.
Birkenstocks here.
Y'all need them for the,
You gonna say more to the camera than hi?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, geez, what y'all got? Look at these two. They don't know how to act because they're not getting nothing this time.
I am getting
Well, Riley got a couple outfits, of course.
Do you like it?
Hold them up, Riley. Yes. They're very nice, Mama. You ought to get them. Nice. Get those.
Right, because I can buy.
So here's a fox here. The red fox. Foxo Family Fun. Sisters just having so much love for each other. Foxo Family Fun back with you again. We out here at the neighbor's campsite hosting their son's birthday. This my old boss right here acting like he's sleepy. Him and his wife, Miss Leo. This was my guy though. This Jeff Ward right here and Miss Leo. We Mark and Yvette right here. Auntie and Unc. Tyler, where you at, man? What's up? Get you a camper, baby boy. You hear me, cuz? Let's go. You and Holly, come make, what's that drink Holly make? The ginger, what's it again? Come on, Holly, get me some of them out here at the campsite. Here's the birthday cake. Great hosting, I appreciate you. Let's say happy birthday, Khalif. Caliph, okay. I gave you a name, Khalif. It's my man's birthday right here. A little bit of cake in the air, man. Thumbs up, right? Yeah. Beautiful. Having a good time. It's his birthday and it's a blessing to be 30 what? 37. Yes, sir. Get back with y'all in a little bit. Foxhole Family Fun at nighttime. Got the fire going for the box stage. I don't own the rights to copyright to this music. Game on here. How about the flame torches? Gone, Dollar Tree. Mosquito thing over here. Let's go. Just trying to have a good time for the night. Eric and Uncle Rock up here. Let's do it. Okay. Foxhole Family Fun out here doing fire stories, sharing with each other. Just having a good time at the Bi-State meetup. Just a great time with everybody.
You had four units. You're nice.
So the Bi-State is now done. Everybody's saying bye. Lee and Tim did a good job. LaDonna. This is just what we do. Had a great time. Jeff and them down there. Everybody's leaving. So came together again with a good time.